This is the Cudy AC1300 wireless USB adapter. This is mainly used when a PC does not have Wi-Fi. Let's see how to install it on Windows 10. First, plug it into a USB port on your PC. After plugging it in, go to your PC. The Wi-Fi adapter is installed on the PC, so Wi-Fi is visible on the PC. Now you can connect your PC to Wi-Fi. Select your Wi-Fi. Enter your Wi-Fi password. Now the PC is connected to Wi-Fi. This is how you can install the Cudy AC1300 Wi-Fi adapter on Windows 10. If the Wi-Fi adapter does not work even after plugging it in, then change the USB port. Unplug the adapter from here. Plug the adapter into the 3.0 USB port of your PC. After doing this, the Wi-Fi adapter will work on Windows 10.